The Book of Life by J. Krishnamurti. January 3rd. Beyond the Noise of Words. Listening is an art, not easily come by, but in it there is beauty and great understanding. We listen with the various depths of our being, but our listening is always with a preconception or from a particular point of view. We do not listen simply. There is always the intervening screen of our own thoughts, conclusions, and prejudices. To listen, there must be an inward quietness, a freedom from the strain of acquiring, a relaxed attention. This alert, yet passive state is able to hear what is beyond the verbal conclusion. Words confuse. They are only the outward means of communication. But to commune beyond the noise of words, there must be in listening an alert passivity. Those who love may listen, but it is extremely rare to find a listener. Most of us are after results, achieving goals. We are forever overcoming and conquering, and so there is no listening. It is only in listening that one hears the song of words.